The new GLS 63 has a significantly longer wheelbase than its predecessor. The resulting increase in space particularly benefits occupants in the second seat row. Legroom here is increased by 87 mm when the seats are in their rearmost position, which also makes it easier to get into the vehicle. As standard for the European market, the second row has a 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds split folding rear bench seat with adjustable backrests. Alternatively, customers can order the American standard configuration with 2 individual seats and armrests, with easy access to the rear between them. Optional comfort features reinforce the claim to be the S-Class among SUVs: the Air Balance Package, Energizing Package or Energizing Package Plus, the Warmth Comfort Package and various packages for the rear raise the level of luxury in the interior to the highest level. The standard fit Burmester surround sound system or the optional Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system guarantee an emotive listening experience. Ready for top performance, the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine with integrated starter alternator. For the first time, the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine of the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 4MATIC Plus is equipped with an integrated EQ boost starter alternator. It combines a starter motor and an alternator in a single, powerful electric motor compactly integrated between the engine and the transmission. The briefly and additionally available 16 kilowatts 22 horsepower of output and 250 Nm of torque allow particularly fast sprints from a standstill and intermediate sprints, e.g. when overtaking. Moreover, this innovative component not only supplies the 48-volt electrical system, and is not only used as a power generator, but also performs hybrid functions. These include boost, recuperate, load point shift, gliding and the virtually imperceptible restarting of the engine with the start-stop function. For the first time, the EQ boost starter alternator is also responsible for idle speed control. This allows fuel savings that were previously reserved for high-voltage hybrid technology. Furthermore, the sophisticated 48-volt electrical system allows the use of new technologies. It reliably supplies the onboard electrical consumers, e.g. active stabilizer bars or heating elements, with energy, while still ensuring full driving power. Other characteristic features of the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine: the 2 turbochargers are positioned not on the outside of the cylinder banks, but inside the cylinder V. The main advantages of this design are the compact engine construction, optimal response and low exhaust gas emissions. In the GLS 63 it develops an output of 450 kilowatts 612 horsepower. The performance of the V8 biturbo engine is enhanced by a further 16 kilowatts courtesy of the integrated starter alternator, resulting in impressive torque of up to 850 Nm. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes 4.2 seconds, while the top speed is 250 km per hour, electronically limited. 280 km per hour is possible with the optional AMG driver's package. Comfortable and dynamic, AMG SpeedShift TCT9G. The AMG SpeedShift TCT9 Speed Automatic Transmission (TCT equals Torque Converter Transmission) ensures highly dynamic acceleration with short shift times, and allows a comfortable and fuel-efficient driving style. The transmission is optimally configured for the engine and promises hallmark agility when moving off, along with speedy gear shifts, either automatic, or manual via the steering wheel shift paddles. Upshifts or downshifts are implemented instantly. Especially in the Sport Plus drive program and in manual mode, the transmission is very responsive. Another strength of the AMG SpeedShift TCT9G are the fast multiple downshifts. For example, on kick down, the transmission can shift directly from 9th to 5th gear or from 5th to 3rd gear.
If you like the video, press the like button. To be aware of the new videos, subscribe and click on the bell. Thank you for watching.